Hi all, Kim here, and this week here at Planet Cruise we have a very special all-inclusive Norwegian cruise. This deal is for the 27th of October 2019, heading to the most stunning Greek islands. Stay tuned for this Planet Cruise deal of the week. On the 27th of October 2019, here at Planet Cruise, we'll fly you from your selected UK airport to Venice. Here you'll embark on the phenomenal Norwegian Star. With its freestyle cruising ethos, Norwegian Cruise Line goes to great lengths to provide passengers with a wide range of delicious dining choices. While on board, there is plenty to do for the whole family. With its multiple pools and whirlpools, thermal suites, lounges, casino, kids club, there'll be multiple activities for the whole family. We actually made an episode of Planet Cruise Weekly on what it's like to sail with Norwegian Cruise Lines. Click the link in the top right hand corner to watch it. Now back to the deal. You will travel to the fortified town of Kotor, sun-kissed Corfu and one of my personal favourites, Santorini. Santorini is full of amazing views and whitewashed buildings. Everything in this place is simply beautiful. You've just got to get this deal and go and see her. Next up is Mykonos. Famed for its rich history, natural beauty and cosmopolitan character. Then Argostoli, followed by Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is famed for its city walls and being one of the filming locations for the Game of Thrones. In fact, it's one of our favourite 10 Mediterranean ports. A video you can watch here if you click the link in the top right hand corner. You will then return to Venice where you will fly back to your selected UK airport. This deal starts from as little as £1079 per person. If you'd like a Seaview, you can upgrade for an extra £99 per person. This includes all flights and overseas transfers, all meals including afternoon tea, 24-hour buffet dining and much, much more. If you decide you'd like to upgrade to a balcony for £1499 per person, you will not only get the freedom of looking out to sea over your private balcony, but you'll also receive up to $500 free onboard spend and premium all-inclusive. This includes drinks, tips and Wi-Fi. If any of these fantastic prices interest you, click the link in the top right to go to the deal or call us on our phone number in the opposite corner. Also, for an extra $169 per person, you can get the exact same deal, but we'll fly you to Venice on the 25th of October 2019 and you'll have 2 nights in a hotel before embarking on your cruise. The City of Bridges is definitely one of those bucket list locations you've just got to see. This deal can be seen here in this link. If these dates don't work for you, we here at Planet Cruise have many other sailings with similar itineraries between May and November 2019. Head over to planetcruise.com to see what dates best suit you. This has been your Planet Cruise Deal of the Week. I'm Kim, and remember, you dream it, we'll plan it.
Hi everyone, thanks very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe below and remember to click the bell to get those notifications turned on. And if you're looking for more fantastic travel content like this, then click on the videos to the right. It will be really informative. Or you can click on the Planet logo to the left and go to our website for some really fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.